with eyebrow and without eyebrow.
Okay, I have another video. Get ready with me. So first, what we're gonna do, of course, is we have to clean our face. Well, actually, I just took a bath. So, kahit na kakaligo nyo lang, you always have to clean your face before putting or wearing any makeup. Next, I'm gonna put some creamer sa face ko to prep my face. Put some concealer. Concealer lang yung everyday routine yung ginagawa natin ng makeup. You don't need to put foundation. So concealer will do. So guys, yung ginagawa kong makeup routine ngayon is an everyday makeup look. So that's why I get ready with me. Next, let's put some eyebrow powder para mas tumagal yung eyebrow natin, para may powder. So also we're gonna put eyebrow gel after. Next, let's put bronzer. Bronzer lang, no need na for contour. Pero pwede mo kasi gamitin yung bronzer as your contour. Tapos syempre hindi naman mawawala yung pag-shape ng nose natin. So, sama yan sa everyday routine. Sabi ng mama ko kayo, humingi siya sa akin ng pampatangos ng ilong. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung pampatangos ng ilong yung sinasabi niya. Yung ginagamit ko lang naman bronzer. So, mag-birthday pala mama ko sa August 5. So, advance, happy birthday to my mama. I love you. Tapos, maglagay naman tayo ng highlight sa nose. So, pwede naman itong huli. Gusto ko naman ilagay. So, let's put. Kasi gagamitin ko na ito mamaya. Itong brush na ito ulit sa eyes ko. Ayan. Usually, ang paglagay daw nito parang exclamation point. So, dot, tapos lang siya. And then, gamitin na rin natin itong bronzer para sa mata natin. Isa-shape lang natin, konting bronzer lang. Then, gumamit pa tayo ulit ng another brush para ma-blend din sa face area ng mata natin. So, ganyan lang. Next, let's put some eyeliner. Smudge lang natin siya ng konti. Next, let's put blush on. So, I'm using Chanel. Next, let's put some face powder. let's use lip liner for shaping our lips. I'm using MakeUp Culture. I'm gonna use Honey Love from MAC. So let's apply this lipstick. One of my favorites. So nude lang siya.
Hello? Isunod na tingnan natin mga ambroha. So kasi nakatanggal ko na ng headband ko. So let's blow dry our hair. Actually dry na siya pero blow dry ko pa rin siya para
Alright, so this is the final look of my Get Ready With Me. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, stay safe, and always pray to God na sana matapos itong pandemic na to, itong, alam mo yun, coronavirus na to. So, we're always in a new normal. So, take care guys, always, and God bless. Thank you.
so it's a new normal.
So, since it's a new normal, let's shield our face.